Welcome back. This is episode 4 in our ISO 9001 series, and today we're tackling Clause 4, Context of the Organization. Now, I know it sounds a bit vague, right? Like context, what does that even mean? Well, think of it like this. Before you build anything, a system, a strategy, even a business plan, you need to understand the environment you're operating in. Clause 4 is all about stepping back and asking, who are we? What do we do? Who do we serve? And what's happening around us that could impact quality? Let's break it down. 4.1 Understanding the organization and its context. This is the big picture view. ISO wants you to identify internal and external issues that could affect your ability to deliver quality. So, internally, what are your strengths, weaknesses, resources, culture? Externally, what's going on in your market with technology, regulations, competitors, or even global events? You're basically scanning the horizon and your own backyard. Pro tip, tools like SWOT analysis or PESTLE can help here. Not required, but really useful. 4.2 Understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties. Interested parties is ISO speak for anyone who has a stake in what you do. This includes customers, employees, suppliers, regulators, even your community. You need to identify who they are, what they expect, and how their needs could affect your quality system. For example, customers might expect fast delivery. Regulators might expect compliance. Your team might expect clear roles. If you ignore any of that, quality can slip through the cracks. 4.3 Determining the scope of the quality management system. Here you draw the line around what parts of your organization the quality system actually covers. Is it just one site, one department, the whole business? You also need to justify any exclusions, like if you're not doing design and development, say why it's not relevant to your operations. This scope goes in your documentation. It's like your QMS mission statement. 4.4 Quality Management System and its processes. Last part of Clause 4, and this one's critical. You're asked to identify all the processes that make your business run. What's the input? What's the output? Who's responsible? What resources do they need? And how do you measure success? Think of your business like a machine. This is the blueprint that shows how each gear turns. A super simple process map or flow diagram can really help here, and auditors love it when you show how everything connects. Why this clause matters. Clause 4 is basically the setup phase. It's where you stop guessing and start planning. It's the difference between winging it and actually understanding your organization. Once you've nailed this, everything else in ISO 9001 flows way easier. Planning, risks, objectives, audits, improvements, all of it. In the next episode, we'll move into Clause 5, Leadership. Because if the people at the top aren't on board, none of this quality stuff sticks. See you there. Remember to give us a follow and comment below if you want to have us create any educational bite-sized videos for you to progress in your career.